Good morning, all. So let us look at how to find the equation of tangent and normal to the conic. So the first problem is find the equation of the tangent and the normal at 1 minus 1 to the conic y square minus xy minus 2x square minus 5y plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So we need to find out the equation of tangent and normal to the conic at the point 1 minus 1. So here you have x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to minus 1. Okay. So for finding the equation of the tangent, so we need to replace x square by x1, y square by y, y1, then xy, 2xy by xy1 plus x1y, and then 2x by x plus x1, 2y by y plus y1. Okay. Now let us write that. So the equation of tangent to the conic at x1 y1 is given by, so we have y square, so y square will be replaced by y1 minus let me write it as 1 by 2 into 2xy. Upper 2xy will become xy1 plus x1 y, then you have minus 2 x1, then minus 5 by 2, 2y varum, 2y will become y plus y1, then plus 1 by 2 x plus x1 varum, minus 6 equal to 0. Now therefore equation of tangent at 1 minus 1 is, so now substitute the value of x1 and y1, so we will get minus y minus 1 by 2 minus x plus y minus 2x minus 5 by 2 into y plus y1, so y minus 1 varum plus 1 by 2 x plus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. So that will give, okay, so we will get, upon simplifying, minus y, then plus x by 2 minus y by 2, then minus 2x minus 5 by 2 y, then plus 5 by 2 varum, then x by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 6, x by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 6. So this is equation. Let us simplify the terms. So we will get minus 3y by 2, sorry, minus y വരുന്ന terms. These are the terms. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ minus 4 വരും, minus 4y, then x വരുന്ന terms 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2, അപ്പോൾ minus x, then you will have 6 by 2 is equal to 3, so minus 3 equal to 0. So that is x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore the equation of tangent at 1 minus 1 is x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Now from this we have y equal to minus x minus 3 by 4. So therefore slope of tangent line will be equal to minus 1 by 4. So therefore slope of normal is going to be equal to 4. So now we can write the equation of normal. So therefore equation of normal at 1 minus 1 is, so y plus 1 equal to 4 into x minus 1. So that implies y equal to 4x minus 5. So that is the equation of the tangent. Now let us look at one more problem. So find the equation of tangent and normal to the conic. So x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 36 equal to 0 at 2. So the equation of tangent at x1 y1 given by, so we'll have x1 plus y1 minus 2 x plus x1 will plus 3 y plus y1 minus 36 equal to 0. So therefore equation of tangent at 2, 4 will be, so put x1 equal to 2 and y1 equal to 4. So that will be 2x plus 4y minus 2 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 4 minus 36 equal to 0. So that will give 2x minus 2x varum plus 4y plus 3y then minus 4 plus 12 minus 36 equal to 0. 2x will cancel off, so we will get 7y. Then minus 4 minus 24. So that will be minus 28. So that implies equation of tangent is y equal to 4. Now let us look at the equation of normal. So equation of normal is given by, so we have the 0.24, so that will be y minus 4 into minus 1 by 0 varum x minus 2. So that implies you will have x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore equation of normal is x minus 2 equal to 0. Problem is to find the equations of the tangents to the conic x square plus 4xy plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus 4y equal to 0. So we need to find the tangent to the conic such that it is parallel to x plus 4y equal to 0. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇതാണ്. So in last class we have seen the condition for line to become a tangent. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ആ ലൈനിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്മൾ കോണിക്കിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. Now if it touches you will get the roots to be real and equal. അപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്ക്രിമിനൻ്റ് നമുക്ക് we will get a quadratic equation there. So discriminant has to be 0. So if the line touches the given chord. So here നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ടാൻജന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പാരലൽ ടു എക്സ് പ്ലസ് 4y ആണ്. So the equation of a line which is parallel to x plus 4y equal to 0 is given by x plus 4y plus c equal to 0. So this will be the form of an equation which will be parallel to the line x plus 4y equal to 0. So let us substitute this equation into the equation of the conic. Okay. So let the equation of to find the equation to the tangent to the conic which is parallel to x plus 4y equal to 0 and line parallel to x plus 4y equal to 0 is of the form x plus 4y plus c equal to 0. Now that implies, so from there x will be equal to minus 4y minus c. So putting the value of x in the equation of conic, we get, so we will get 4y minus c whole square plus 4 minus 4y minus c into y plus 3y square minus 5 into minus 4y minus c minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. So you get 16y square plus 8yc plus c square minus 16y square minus 4cy plus 3y square plus 20y plus 5c minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. So 16y square cancel out. So y square വരുന്നത്, we'll have 3y square, then y comes in. Okay. So we'll have 8yc minus 4yc, അപ്പോൾ 4yc വരും. Then 20y minus 6y, so that will be plus 14y plus 5c plus c square plus 3 equal to 0. So that is the quadratic equation we are getting. So 3y square plus 2 into 2c plus 7y plus c square plus 5c plus 3 equal to 0. And now since the line is a tangent to the conic, the above equation must have equal. So that implies b square minus 4ac must be 0. So that implies 4 into 2c plus 7 whole square minus 4 into 3 into c square plus 5c plus 3 equal to 0. So that implies 4c square plus 28c plus 49 minus 3c square minus 15c minus 9 equal to 0. So that implies c square plus 13c plus 40 equal to 0. So that implies c will be equal to minus 5 and minus 8. So therefore the equation of tangents are